Today, we're going to learn how to upload an Excel sheet to NotebookLM and transform it into a professional infographic and presentation. But before we get started, there's one important thing you need to know. NotebookLM does not accept Excel sheet files directly. So if you're working with an Excel file, the solution is simple. Upload it to Google Sheets first, then save it to Google Drive. From there, you can connect it to NotebookLM without any issues. Now, let's walk through the process step by step. First, go to Google Sheets and upload your Excel file there. Once it's ready, make sure it's saved in your Google Drive. You'll see all your files inside Drive. This is my file right here. You can rename it if you'd like, or just keep the original name. Now, let's move to NotebookLM. When you open NotebookLM, click on Download Source. This time, choose your file directly from Google Drive and upload it. As you can see, the system immediately generates a summary of the document. In my example, it's a financial record for a company documenting trade transactions during April 2024, including sales activity and key performance indicators. Now we're ready for the next step, creating a data plan. Click on Edit to customize your plan. Next, select your preferred language and choose the level of detail. Here you can choose the layout, horizontal, vertical, or square. I'll go with horizontal. If you want a deeper analysis, select a detailed output, which is what I'm choosing here. In the description box, be very specific about what you want. I asked the system to generate a data report explaining monthly sales movement, key performance indicators, and the most popular products. Once everything looks good, click Create and let it generate the report. First, let's review the infographic. Here we have a performance report showing monthly sales activity for April 2024. It provides a comprehensive overview of cash flow, profitability, and top customers between April 1st and April 30th. You can clearly see the top 4 customers ranked by contribution. The leading customer alone accounts for more than half of the monthly sales. It also visualizes sales movement over time with a clear timeline. The infographic looks great, clean, structured, and easy to understand. But remember, always double-check your data before making business decisions. Now let's create a presentation, a slide deck. Go to the Slides section and select a detailed presentation. Choose your language and set the duration to automatic. Then, in the description field, clearly explain what you need. I requested an analytical report on sales growth and performance indicators using advanced data visualizations to simplify complex information and support decision-making. The goal here is to make sure that anyone reviewing the slides can confidently make decisions based on the data. Don't worry, I'll include all the prompts I used in the description below. Click Create and let's look at the results. Now, let's take a look at the presentation. You'll see a strategic performance overview, total sales and percentage breakdown, the top performing segment contributing 38% of monthly sales, a breakdown of major customers, order frequency versus basket size analysis, order structure insights, customer acquisition efficiency, risk analysis, strategic recommendations, and finally, a summary. This is the final result of the presentation. You can download it as a PDF, upload it to Canva to enhance the design if needed, and then export it as a polished PowerPoint presentation. And that's it. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.